Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs in the microwave. Start by placing eggs in a microwave-safe bowl and covering with water by about 1 inch. Pierce the whites gently and cover the bowl with a microwave-safe plate. Microwave on medium power in 1-minute bursts until firm, then cool rapidly in ice water to stop cooking and make peeling simple and neat. Warm and friendly, let me walk you through the filling. Mash the cooked yolks until creamy, then stir in mayonnaise, mustard, a little vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding a touch of paprika or chopped chives for brightness. Pipe or spoon the mixture back into the cooled egg whites, keeping portions even for a neat presentation everyone will enjoy at gatherings. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more quick kitchen tips for you. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes anywhere, with a glare-free display, adjustable light, and long battery life that lasts through many cook sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if it helps your kitchen routine, and now let's get back to the video. Here are simple serving tips to make your deviled eggs shine. Chill the filled eggs briefly so the filling sets and flavors meld, then add a final garnish like herbs or smoked paprika for color. Arrange them on a platter with a paper towel underneath to prevent slipping. Keep leftovers refrigerated in an airtight container and enjoy within a couple of days for best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.